Well, after 5 years of saving, it's finally arrived. Packaging looks okay. Right, let's just a minute. I don't know what that is. Special offer from Nikon. This is what I've waited 5 years for. 5 years of saving. Let's just get this packaging out of the way. There it is. For 2026, the D850 with kit lens. Right, over the moon with this. Bloody hell, that's a user manual, isn't it? Get rid of all this little paperwork. Right, let's see what we got. Obviously the UK lead. What the hell is this? Don't know what this is. Oh my god, I've actually got a lens bag. You don't normally get them with a kit. Wow. See what else we got. Yeah, that's a big lens cover, isn't it? Why is this a bloody lens? Okay, lens bag, which I didn't expect. Lens cover, obviously. Well, that's packaged well. Good. So there's the lens. The 24-120. Just make sure that's okay. God, that's heavy. So that's the lens then. God, that's a weird cable. What the hell? Obviously the USB cable for the camera. The battery charger, get that on in a minute. What the hell is this? I don't know what that is. What the hell is that? Suppose I'll find out. Leave them in there. Nikon strap. And the battery. Right, let's get the camera out there. Right, let's just move the box. I'm intrigued to know what these are. What the hell are these? Must go somewhere. To look into that. See what they are. Well, let's just put this away for now. Okay, that's the box. Well, the first thing we're going to do when we charge the battery is put a SD card in and then check the shutter count, make sure it's 0. That's what. Right, okay. Well, it's here. I shall add to this video shortly.